Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is day two. Thank you very much for all of your patience yesterday. And it'll still be a little bit tricky as we get started, as you get used to everything. But once we get going, it'll be pretty easy. And all of these skills will help you if you're heading into high school. And if you're already there, then you'll just understand D2L a little bit better. So, a few things. Remember, the announcements are where I'll be posting things. Um, I mentioned that I opened Unit 1 if you wanted to work ahead. Today is the first day of Unit 1. There's the video from yesterday to introduce you to everything. This right here is your course calendar. When you click it, a page will pop up and you're forced to make a copy of it. A reminder, every time you click this, it automatically creates a copy for you. So to find out what you're looking for, you're going to open up a new tab and go to drive.dsbn.org. Drive.dsbn.org. And that's where you'll be able to access all of your stuff. Another thing, some of you noticed that in the introductory piece, um, the woman narrating it, her name is Miss Douglas. She was able to click add from Drive. Right here is where you do it. So remember, that's our homepage, Google Apps. If you, sorry, you do not have a Google Apps account linked. If you're not in the DSBN normally, then this might not work, but you can at least try it, and then you can add straight from Google Drive. If not, please send me an email, and I will forward that to you. Finally, last thing, at the very bottom of our homepage, there's a ton of great information. How do I log into Chrome? How do I link my accounts? How do I get through D2L? How do I participate in a discussion? How do I hand an assignment? You can even set notifications. All of it is here for you. Once you're through this part, just two more quick things. Your content can be found on this side, and you can go to Unit 1, or you can click content up here, and it will bring it up a little bit more for you. But when you click Unit 1 on this side, it should open up. There we go, Module 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can work your way through it. We have it scheduled for one module per day, so you'll have 20 modules total. But if you would like to work ahead and work as far as Unit 1 as you like, by all means. Once we get through this week, next week I'll open up Unit 2 and you can work your way through that as well. The last thing I wanted to point out is on the discussions page. So that's right here at the top, discussions. Once you're working through your discussions, it's important to remember to go back and respond. So, for example, this is just meeting yourself, your name, a picture, and 3 to 4 sentences. Introduce yourself. I'm still the only one who has done this. It's always nice. I want to see to introduce myself to you. A lot more of you have gone through are getting to know each other, and that is wonderful. A reminder that these are now opened up. Look at some people working through this, which is wonderful. When you're clicking, you can go through. Uh, the most important part for us is just that you are responding to others. And when you share a link, you're allowing everyone access to it. So, for example, with Lila, who was our one of our first posts, or one of our most recent posts, excuse me. So I've sorted it from most recent at the top. People have responded, and she was even responding as well. So reply to thread down here. All of this just makes our course that much better to work through, and allows us to work together and to build our classroom community. If you have any questions at all, please send me an email. I heard a ton from others yesterday, and I'm really looking forward to hearing from you as well. If you have any questions, continue. I'll still keep posting announcements up here and still keep posting videos so I can chat with you here. If you do have questions, like I said, email, but I can also, if it's easier, call you at home, or I'm able to provide you with access. We can even set up a Teams chat, which we can talk on the computer. So, regardless, have a wonderful day. Stay cool as there's a heat warning, and at least where I am. And I look forward to continuing along this course. Thanks so much.